Dragging a heavy suitcase through the airport, paying baggage fees, and waiting at the carousel can slow down any trip. Traveling with only a carry-on saves time, money, and hassle. Here's how to do it efficiently. Start by choosing the right bag. Most airlines allow a carry-on up to 22 inches and a personal item like a backpack. A lightweight, expandable carry-on with compartments helps maximize space. Use packing cubes to compress clothes and stay organized. Roll clothes instead of folding to save space and prevent wrinkles. Stick to a capsule wardrobe, neutral colors that mix and match easily. 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and a versatile jacket work for most trips. Shoes take up space, so wear the bulkiest pair while traveling and pack 1 additional pair if necessary. Use compression socks to save space in your bag. For toiletries, opt for travel-sized liquids under 3.4 ounces and use solid alternatives like bar soap shampoo bars and deodorant sticks to free up space in the quart-sized bag limit. Tech and travel essentials should be compact. Use a lightweight laptop or tablet, wireless earbuds instead of bulky headphones, and a multi-port charger to reduce the number of cables. For long trips, laundry becomes the key to packing light. A travel-sized detergent or laundry sheets make it easy to wash clothes in a sink or hotel laundry. Packing smart eliminates the need for checked bags, speeds up airport time, and keeps everything within reach. With the right strategy, traveling with just a carry-on becomes second nature.